What's up, everybody? Wild Whiskey Wolf back with another episode of ZX10R Mods. This is episode 3, and today we're gonna talk about the LighTech Mirror Block-Off Plates. I love LighTech products. First off, it's an Italian company. They make products for all kind of racing teams, including MotoGP teams, so you know that their stuff is top quality. And these are the block-off plates for the ZX10. If you didn't see my ZX10R mirror removal video, I'll drop a link to it down in the description if you want to delete the mirrors. Once you delete the mirrors, you can get these beautiful LighTech block-off plates. And the purpose of these is basically just purely cosmetic. It's just to give that bike a nice clean look in the front, because when you remove the mirrors, it has these ugly holes that show, and some people might not mind, but I'm pretty picky about the way I like things on the bike to look as well as perform. And these LighTech mirror block-off plates just add that nice, beautiful touch to the bike once the mirrors are deleted, so that it has a nice clean look up front. Install is super easy. It's just 2 screws. Once you watch my mirror removal video, you'll know exactly how easy it is to install these. So yeah, these are the LighTech mirror block-off plates. They come in a few different colors. You can go to their website. I'll put a link to that down in the description and see the different colors. I know they have like gold, black, blue, red, and they may have a few others as well. So yeah, if you have any questions, comments, anything like that about the LighTech mirror block-off plates, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section below, and watch out for the next episode.